guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May, that's right, we are still in April, but this is May's Up Box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So yes, this is May's Up Box, which I think is so amazing that I got. This smells so amazing. I can't wait to open this box. Oh my goodness. I think it is so amazing that they sent me May already. When I opened this box, I contacted them before opening it. And I was like, I thought this month April was out, because they said that April was sold out before the month even started. So I knew I wasn't gonna get the box until May, but it's April. So I asked him, is this April's box, or did I get lucky, or is this May? She's like, nope, that is May. I'm like, you know what? That is awesome, because if anybody wants to know what's gonna be in May, they can now see what's in it and jump on this train and order it now before it is sold out. So that is awesome. I did get this sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Upbox, for sending me this. I enjoy your box so much, and it just brings joy when I open it. So let's go ahead and see what is inside May's box. So again, as of right now, you still have time to order it before it sells out. So if you want to jump on the bandwagon, I would suggest you do it quickly, or else May was going to sell out, and then we'll have to see what happens in June. So this is an encouragement in a box. Now, plans start as low as $29.16 per month. The more months you purchase, the cheaper it is, hence why it starts at that. But if you wanted to only do like a month or a less plan, then it would be higher. But they have a code. It's not for me. It doesn't do anything to me. It just helps you, which is amazing because it gives you 50% off. That's right, 50% off. So if you go to their site and you use UpBox50, you will get, that's right, 50% off your order, your first order. So if you like what's in here, use the 50% off coupon UpBox50 and get a 50% off. So they do ship this in another box. So I opened up the brown box, and this is what is inside. This is not sealed, but I haven't opened it yet, but it smells amazing. So let's do this. Let's see what's in May. Sneak peek before May, you guys. I'm so excited and honored. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it says encouragement Upbox ambassador, or thank you for being an encouragement Upbox ambassador. Now this month's theme is you are beautiful. Yes, you are. And there is the sticker right there. So let's go ahead and break the sticker. Oh, so pretty. And I don't know if they heard me the last time, but all that glitter that was all over the place, because there is no glitter in here. So thank you very much for eliminating that glitter part of your box. It was beautiful, but messy. But now it's just the crinkles, and then it has like these beautiful little pieces of like confetti in there, but there's no glitter to what? Oh, I see a spongel. My favorite. Is that what smells so good? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get into this, you guys, because this is smelling amazing and I want to know what this scent is. Now, let's see here. Is there anything on the back of this card here? No. I thought my first month, which was 2 months ago, I got a card that said what was in here, and I don't see a card. So we're just gonna go through the items and figure this out together. Now I do remember they always give you, every Up Box includes a 5x7 poster, mini encouragement card, scripture inside, and a scripture reminder card. Every Up Box includes 10 to 12 thoughtfully curated lifestyle accessories, including, or for example, organic bath and body, small batch candles from artisans of the United States, and all of that good stuff. And monthly encouragement in a box with captivating Christian theme. You can subscribe for yourself or as a gift. New orders always ship immediately, and reoccurring subscriptions ship on the 15th of every month, and they ship to the US and provide tracking. And so far they only ship in the United States. So First thing right on top, which this would be their 5x7 that they always include. And this is gorgeous. You are You are altogether beautiful. Altogether? Instead of like altogether, you are altogether beautiful. And then it says, my darling. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. On the back it says, you are beautiful, my darling. Welcome to the beauty box. We are beyond excited to celebrate the gorgeous women that you are with this month's collection of carefully chosen, luxurious self-care items that will lavish and encourage you from the inside out. Our theme is a personal favorite of ours, reminding us of his eyes. We are beautiful and darling reflections of his grace and glory. So that is awesome. Again, there is that, and they do have it protected. You could always stick this in a frame and hang it on the wall if you would like. And then here is one as well. Maybe this is the 5x7. I don't know my sizes, but this says you are beautiful in every way, which that is so true. Every one of us is beautiful in every way. And it's just so pretty with the bright pink. This is such a spring like theme. I'm loving how pretty these are. Okay, so then here are the cards that they give you. And it says, you are altogether, I guess it's supposed to be like altogether beautiful, my darling. So it says the same thing. And there's a package of 2 with 2 envelopes. So you can always put this as a little note, put it in a gift bag or anything like that for anybody. So these are the 3 things that are always in, but new themed, but are always in their boxes every month. So that is awesome. So let's go ahead and move along to the items that are inside. First we have is a Timeless Beauty Bar Glam and Glow sheet masks. And I love me some sheet masks. So there's that guy right there. Next we have Celebrating You. She's a woman of strength and dignity. And it has the 2 hair ties, which those are gorgeous spring colors. I love this mint green and that with the mint and the pink. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Next we have is a vanilla cake. Add to warm bath, relax and enjoy. This is the Epsom Soak Feeling Smitten. And there's that guy right there. Epsom Soak and vanilla cake. I bet you it smells amazing. Next we have is All Scraps Prayer Request Sticky Notes. So here is some sticky notes, prayer requests. Right there, there's the back. Next we have, this says Ginger and Waldo Fresh Faced Daily Facial Moisturizer, 4 fluid ounces. And I love anything with skincare, you guys. Moisturizers, anything like that. Let's get this open. How do you, is it already? No. Sometimes these like open for me with no problem. And then sometimes I literally feel like I have no clue how to turn a knob because they don't work for me. Does that happen to you guys? Like some of my shampoo and conditioner, I'll sit there and spin it forever and ever and ever. Like this one, it's saying to turn that way. I don't know, but I've been told sometimes you just gotta play with it, I guess. I don't know. There we go, I got it. Sometimes I swear, sometimes you have to be smarter than the thing. Now, good. Come on. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Oops. It's not a strong scent, which that is good. Sometimes lotions, I love them smelling good, but then sometimes, like especially at night, I don't like all that overpowering scent. So that is just it doesn't really smell like much at all. Ginger and Waldo Fresh Faced Daily Facial Moisturizer. So it's a good thing. It's for your face. That's why it's not so strong. So that's awesome. I love putting lotion on my face at night. So I will go ahead and work that into my nightly routine. This is Grace and Bloom Company Beautiful Buttercream Foaming Sugar Scrub. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. Oh, now the first month that I had, it was everything that was teal themed, and we got it was like a whipped soap, and I used that entire thing instantly. I used all of that body wash, facial, I used all of that stuff. It was so good. So I cannot wait. Foaming sugar scrub. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, you guys. That smells amazing. Whew, I can't wait. All right, so next in here we have Simply We Made Tinted Lip Balm with peppermint and frankincense, rose pearl. Can you see that? I don't know why I feel when I stick my fingers in my fingers, you can see it better. I've noticed I do that and I don't know why. But let's get this opened. So there is the color and it's a tinted. And there is a pink right there. It is definitely tinted. Let's see here. It is definitely tinted. It feels nice. At least it's a chapstick, but it'll give you a little shimmer, and it does have a nice little shimmer to it. I just put it in a weird spot for you guys to see, but there you go. So that is awesome. Okay, I'm going to open this guy next. Beautiful Buttercream, Grace and Bloom Candle Company. Rich lather cake vanilla frosting swirl. Oh my gosh. Oh, Grace and Bloom, there's their logo, and that smells amazing. I don't know why I'm like, here you guys, take a whiff. I wish you could. I really, really wish you could, especially with that other situation. That's, oh my gosh. This smells like a buttercream. This definitely does smell like a buttercream. I'm gonna burn this as soon as I'm done filming. I'm burning this one right now. Alrighty, so then next we have the thing that I saw from the beginning that got me all excited. And look how pretty this bright magenta color. I've never seen one like this. This is Bulgarian Rose. And you guys, if you follow me, you know I don't really care for the artificial rose scent, but this smells amazing. I'm definitely using this. Oh, so there is the sponge gel, and if you follow me, you know I love these guys. Any FabFitFun, I add these to my add-ons, and I am like in love with these. So I am so glad they were in this month's box, and I did not miss out on this box because, oh my goodness. And then, have you ever seen one this size? I haven't. And that says 30 plus washes. This one says 14 plus washes. And normally what I do, like when you first use these, if you've never used them before, or maybe you use one once and you're like, oh, that's kind of hard, and you never use it again, you need to just get it wet and just move it around a little bit and just work with it. And after like a few days, it's not as hard anymore, and they're amazing. And then once the soap kind of gives way and you don't get as much lather anymore, I just go ahead and add my normal body wash to the sponge and use it as a regular sponge until it's time to get rid of it, and I replace it with another one. But that's how I use these all the time, and I never knew there was a little one. This is a petty buffer with a built-in cleanser, cleanse and buff all in one. Oh, it has to be for your feet then. Help keep feet soft and polished. Cleans, buffs, softens, enriched with peppermint and sea kelp. Dermatologist tested. So there is that. So that is the perfect handheld size, and you just scrub your feet when you're in the shower. Wet, squeeze to release, wet, squeeze to release rich lather. Use soft side to cleanse, buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply squeeze out the excess water from the buffer. Okay, so one side must be stronger than the other. I just can't tell with it in the package. It just looks the same on both sides really to me. But once I open it up, obviously I'll probably tell one's more of a coarser side and one's a softer side. But did you guys know that they made these for your feet? I had no clue. And that's so awesome that it's the same scent. I know something's itching. That is so awesome that it's the same scent, because when my sponge gel in there now needs to be replaced, I'm gonna replace it with both of them and use these paired together. So it's the same scent and all of that good stuff. And this is again, Bulgarian Rose. So both of these are the same exact scent. I love the packaging though, you guys. Look at that bright magenta. I love it. So that is everything that is in this month's box. Going over the products again, my favorite, and these are not cheap. Well, I know this is definitely not cheap. So you have the 2 sponge gels, body and feet, got you covered. You have the face moisturizer, which that makes my skin, you can't tell, it is so shiny. That is gonna be amazing on my face. I cannot wait to start using that starting tonight. This amazing vitamin, I almost said. No, it's not vitamins. You don't eat it, you burn it. Buttercream, vanilla cake frosting swirl buttercream candle that smells amazing. You have this foaming sugar scrub that, again, smells amazing. And they always go with the same color theme. All of this is like a hot pink, and I love that. This box just brings a smile to my face. It warms my heart, it really does. So there's that I can't wait to try. You have the Epsom salt foot soak, so they got you covered on your feet. You have a prayer request sticky note pad. You have the 2 things for your hair. You have a face mask. You have a tinted chapstick lip balm. And you have the beautiful cards for this month's theme, and these 2 cards that you can gift or give to a friend or whichever. And that is amazing. And I love all of these colors, you guys. I just love this box. Love, love, love this box. So again, if you're interested, this is May's box. This is what you would receive if you order now for next month. This month being April, they sold out before April even started. So if this is something that you want for yourself, or maybe get it for you to give for a Mother's Day gift, if you did a one-time gift, maybe, I think they might do that. I'm not sure if they have a 3-month minimum. I'm not quite sure, but definitely UpBox 50 will get you 50% off. This would make an amazing Mother's Day gift. Just saying. I believe so. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, how did you like this box? Because I love this box. The color is spot on. The theme is spot on. The smells are amazing. And I'm just in love with this box all around. So thank you so much for tuning in. That is all that I have for this particular box. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate that. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.